Imagine a world where machines can create art as exquisite as human masterpieces. AI art generation is not just a concept, but a rapidly evolving field that's redefining the boundaries of creativity. From digital art to music, AI-powered art is about to change the face of creativity forever. But what's driving this revolution, and what does it mean for human artists? One of the key factors behind AI art generation is the development of sophisticated machine learning algorithms that can learn from vast amounts of data and generate new, unique art pieces. These algorithms are trained on vast data sets of human-generated art, allowing them to develop an understanding of the underlying principles of creativity. The result is a new generation of AI-powered art that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also increasingly sophisticated. But how does AI art generation work? At its core, AI art generation involves the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze vast datasets of human-generated art and generate new art pieces based on what it has learned. This can involve everything from painting and sculpture to music and even literature. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for AI art generation to revolutionize the art world is vast.
While AI art generation has made tremendous strides in recent years, it's not without its controversies. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI art to replace human artists. As machines become increasingly capable of creating art, there are fears that they will eventually surpass human capabilities and become the dominant force in the art world. But is this a valid concern? Or is AI art generation simply a tool that will augment human creativity and open up new possibilities for artists? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at some of the most impressive examples of AI art generation and explore what they reveal about the potential of this technology.
One of the most impressive examples of AI art generation is the use of AI algorithms to create new music. By analyzing vast datasets of human-generated music, AI algorithms can learn to identify patterns and structures that are characteristic of different musical styles. From there, they can generate new music pieces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also increasingly sophisticated. But what does this mean for human musicians? Will AI-generated music eventually replace human music, or will it simply open up new possibilities for composers and musicians? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at some of the most impressive examples of AI-generated music and explore what they reveal about the potential of this technology.
As we explore the potential of AI art generation, it's clear that this technology is about to change the face of creativity forever. From AI-generated art to AI music, the possibilities are endless, and the potential for AI to revolutionize the art world is vast. But what's next for AI art generation? As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more impressive examples of AI creativity. From digital art to music, AI-generated art is about to become increasingly sophisticated and increasingly pervasive. The future of creativity is AI, and it's here to stay.
So what does this mean for you? If you're an artist, does this mean that you'll be replaced by machines? Or will AI art generation simply open up new possibilities for you to explore? To answer this question, let's take a closer look at some of the most impressive examples of AI art generation and explore what they reveal about the potential of this technology. Whether you're an artist, a musician, or simply someone who loves art, AI art generation is something that you need to know about. It's a rapidly evolving field that's redefining the boundaries of creativity and opening up new possibilities for artists and musicians. So don't miss this opportunity to unlock the secrets of AI art generation and unleash your inner creative genius. The future of creativity is AI, and it's here to stay. Join the revolution and discover the incredible possibilities of AI art generation. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock the secrets of AI creativity and unleash your inner artist. So what are you waiting for? Join the AI art generation revolution today and discover the incredible possibilities of AI creativity. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock the secrets of AI art generation and unleash your inner artist. Like and subscribe to our channel for more AI news, trends, and analysis.